So you want to learn the guitar? Why not? Without the guitar, there would be no pop music, dancing, or magazines. I'm going to teach you 3 simple chords with which you will write a song. Any song that gets anywhere near the top 20 features the D major chord. As you can see, all of my fingers are on a string. The second most important chord for the hit parade is C major neutral.
Heaven help us! Praise be! Praise
As you can see, all of the correct fingers are on the correct string. Now the last chord, but by no means least, is the G major neutral 0. So if we play those 3 chords we've learnt in sequence, we should hear a song coming together.